We're ready to install this metal roofing. Say hello to Don. He's here to help.
Hi.
You can check out Don's stuff at Ketchum's Creations over on Facebook. Ketchum's Creations. There's a link below.
Good stuff.
We're going to start with the roof. Then we'll move on to the walls later. We got 16-foot panels. They're going up. Turn this on, we'll get one scene getting this first sheet going. Backing out and then okay, Don's taking the top side. I'm pushing him up. They call me the mule. Don is a skilled rock climber. We put him on top. Okay, we got one more. The last piece.
The piece we were looking for.
Yep, it's always on the bottom. Hey, thanks for all your help, Don. Couldn't have done it without you. Okay, it's time to start on the siding. We're just getting started over there on that corner. So all we got to do now is clean up, come back, set the doors. Thanks for watching. Come back next time And that's what we'll do. We'll get those doors built. We'll see you later.